What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to watch NFL games on CBS, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the topic. So if you want to watch NFL games on CBS, and if you're wondering can you, of course you can, and how, I'm just gonna explain you in a minute. So of course you can watch NFL games on CBS, but you can live stream your local CBS affiliate with a Paramount Plus with Showtime subscriptions, which mean you can live stream the NFL from anywhere on any device subject to local blackout rules. So you can enjoy the NFL on CBS throughout the year and get the 30 days free with the promo codes you can find online. So, and of course, how to go to Paramount Plus with CBS. So if you haven't already subscribed for Paramount Plus, you can sign up now. The Paramount Plus Essential Plan is $5.99 per month and includes over 40,000 episodes of TV and movies with limited commercial interruptions. So if you want to watch the NFL, what you need to do is take a Showtime subscription. So of course you can access the entire Showtime library completely ad-free, basically if you sign up for Paramount Plus subscription, and of course you can watch NFL games through CBS by subscribing to that platform. So as you can see in the upper right hand corner, there is Try Paramount Plus. When you go over there, it will prompt you to make an account. So guys, go through subscriptions and check whatever you like. So overall, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.